ECA WA Technical continues to receive inquiries from members about smoke alarm systems in commercial buildings. For contractors working in this space, it is important to remember that requirements can vary depending on the classification of the building. Members are encouraged to check the National Construction Code 2022, Volume 1, Section E2, which outlines the minimum requirements for smoke detection, fire safety and alarm systems across different building types. This information can also be accessed through the ECA WA Technical Knowledge Base. And as always, if members are unsure, the ECA WA Technical Hotline is available to help point them in the right direction.